Hey guys,
Guess what?
we were just walking through the mall. Tell them.
A&W's got a habanero chicken sandwich, so good time to do a duel.
We're gonna reveal it
We're gonna do
and
it.
tell you which one's better.
McChicken or A&W's? Habanero sandwich from A&W's.
It already looks so much better.
Already worth it.
Oh my god. The price is worth it. And their pickles. So good. Okay.
That is
Pickles.
spicy.
I haven't really got a spice kick yet.
Is it the sauce or is it the chicken? Don't go to McDonald's because that was a letdown.
A waste of money
A little bit of spice.
and a waste of belly space.
I know. I waited 2 weeks for that.
I'm scared now for the ghost pepper one because it's gonna be gross. We should like get the ghost pepper one, and then we should get the ghost pepper one, but to make it up the way we think it should have been made,
We might have to.
like with tomatoes and pickles and lettuce and an actual chicken, piece of chicken.
Well, guys, you had it from us. I got thumbs up on this habanero chicken.
Look at that.
Save your money, skip McDonald's, and come straight to A&W for the habanero chicken.
Side by side picture. So good, baby.
Good. Nice little heat, but not too hard.
Could be spicier,
Okay.
but look at the chicken comes off the bun. Oh, tomato down.
Oh,
The chicken comes off the bun.
Habanero.
It's spicy. It's flavorful. I like it.
Agreed. Ooh. Pepper. Ooh. You're getting one. I just saw you eat it. They put these little peppers right there. That's the heat.
Good, guys.